God damn it, can this computer be any slower? It's like I'm watching on a Windows 95 laptop.
Sorry, but your browser tabs have been encrypted for safety reasons. Please try again later.
There is no freaking shutdown. All these stupid ass computers keep breaking. Coris, why are you already destroying things at 8 in the morning? I didn't ask you to come in here, you walking hell. Leave. I have more whiz than you do, 4-year-old die-loving laptop throwing walking piece of garbanzo. Well, I already know what I did was quote-unquote wrong to Lily, but you still have no right to step your big foot ass in here, understand? I wouldn't talk about feet, you Red Dead Redemption reptilian 5-head. What kind of insults are these? No wonder you can't get girls, you fucking pussy. Yeah sure, but just don't destroy another expensive Windows computer, you idiotic piece of shit. God, I am sick of him.
I said we're going. Now come with us right now or else you're getting grounded again.
Classic Kai, you stop fighting with Doris and come here. We have to leave, otherwise the store will sell out of what we're looking for.
I said we are going, and if you don't get in, shut up.
Stop yelling at me before I drop kick you today and you see Jesus.
Both of you stop the fighting and come on. We gotta get to the store before they sell out of the things we need.
Well, in that case we better hurry then.
Well, I've ran out of ideas because that stupid laptop was a waste of my time. I honestly think I need to walk around maybe, but the chances of my day getting ruined are higher out there than in here. What the? Shit, a national weather alert. What's the problem now? What the fuck is that? I just thought of the perfect revenge scheme. I will go out there once the tornado has reached our area, then I will grab one of those annoying sirens in the distance, and then I will put it right by Boris's house at night. Well, first I'm going to close my windows so it doesn't strike Doris's house with lightning or something. Coris, did I hear that you were planning to steal a siren, you mad child? No one asked you what I was doing, you retarded piece of—
Listen, you pea-brain, I didn't want to come here. Look, Mom and Dad put me in charge of your ass because you can't be trusted by yourself. We'll be out of here as soon as we find the canned food. No, I said I want to get out of this stupid store, you imbecile. Okay, you're not going to sit around and waste my time like a spoiled brat, you hear me? Well, I don't care, you yellow-shirted bastard.
Both of you, we need to get in the car and head home now. There is a severe tornado about to attack GoAnimate City.
Well, we better get going. We don't want to die from this tornado.
I don't know when this tornado is going to delete the city, but this plan might fail because I am too tired, and this is taking forever for the tornado to appear here. That's my fucking cue. This plan is going to work perfectly. Coris, what the hell are you doing running outside during a tornado watch, you idiot? That must be the siren. I must grab it. But how am I going to get up there though? I can use my chainsaw. Tornado siren, you are mine. Yes, now I can execute this plan since I now have the siren to myself. Coris, I literally told you to not go out there during that extreme weather, and what do? The exact opposite. Plus, put that thing away. Get it out the house now. Oh, you be quiet. I'm in the middle of a scheme that you don't know about, you delinquent. I said put it away, you fucking retard. If you dare try to blast that shit once we're in the bed, I am going to drop kick you so hard. I'm doing this scheme whether you like it or not. You hear me, you trash can? Honestly, do what you want at this point. There's no hope for you, Coris. That's what I thought. Now I gotta wait until it's midnight so I can put this next to Boris's house and blast it. Well, that was painful. I had to push this big ass siren all the way over here. Well, never mind that. Time to blast this shit inside their house. Well, since I have the tornado siren in place to blast it, I will go ahead and turn it on. Jesus Christ, make this shit stop already.
How many more fucking hours are we gonna have to take this?
Wait, I just realized. How am I supposed to shut it off?
Coris, what the fuck are you?
Cleaning up the place for you, I guess.
Stop with the bullshit lies. How was the door even unlocked in the first place? You probably lockpicked it, didn't you?
Doris, what was making all that noise down here?
Well, Coris decided it would be a good idea to steal something that was loud and obnoxious to try and do it.
Coris, what the hell is wrong with you? Don't act like you didn't see it, you whine. Wait, my chainsaw isn't here.